something on.
What happened?
Right, we're on Wednesday. Say hello, Daddy.
Okay.
Today I'm hosting a workshop for Good Culture Inc. around data and ROI and measurement within the creator space. I'm knackered. Get me on that beach for a holiday. Here's the crazy cat. She wants a chair. She wants Daddy to sit next to her. So yeah, Wednesday, let's go. Look at this sun, so glorious. I have just done 2 of my mentor sessions back to back. So as part of my mentor program, we meet once a month. We go through kind of the priorities for the business, do a bit of a check-in, see if there's anything where I can like really support and help to like really help to scale and grow your business. And I love them. I get so much out of people generally. All of my mentees like went basically through a process where like we made sure that we were like a good fit for one another. And yeah, it is, I just love them. I absolutely love them. So just like in Shoreditch today, meeting them. And then now I'm heading off to do a corporate gig. So I'm speaking at an agency and talking very much around scaling influencer programs through data, ROI, different measurement tactics. Because obviously if an agency proves that they are driving ROI, then they're going to get more work. And that's where I come in, just making sure everyone grows their business, gets a hell of a lot more money. And then everyone's happy, right? This is just becoming my thing, Tube Diaries. I ran a workshop for an agency. I had a very like specific brief and very data driven. So it was nerdy. I'm sure everyone needs a glass of wine after that. I've just had 2 really exciting things come through my inbox for YouTube. When I wanted to work with Lovable, my whole thing is around like how do I give people, how do I give people the confidence to like back themselves? And then Lovable is all around like the simplicity and ease of having a site. And I used to talk so much about how hard it was to get my site up and running. So I just like sent them an idea, sent them a pitch, and that's how I started working with Lovable before my channel had even launched. And YouTube's expensive, so that kind of like entertainment partner is massively needed. And now I've like started YouTube, got 3 months of it out there. I'm now starting to really learn about my audience and starting to put like more creative stuff out there. And so one of the ideas was like a creative idea around identity that I proactively went to a brand with, and they've just got back to me and they want to make it bigger, which is also great. So I'm going to do that, and then have Pilates again today, Monday and Wednesdays. I had to cancel my PT yesterday because I'm just trying to like cram meetings in left, right and centre at the moment. Then I get the kids. What else? That's it. That's my life. There you go, do your song.
Pink pony club.
No, don't press it. So today is Thursday, and this big girl over here has got her graduation photos at nursery. And we have got an event over at Next Level with Sarah Ashcroft. All about giving people the confidence.
She's dark pink.
That is dark pink.
No, it's not. It's purple.
I'm quite emotional that she's leaving nursery. Had a few little tears about it. Not a big deal. So heading into Shoreditch. I think we've got 50 people coming today.
Afternoon, I'm going to school.
Big day already. We have got an agency Accelerator all about giving you the confidence to back yourself, to back your business. So heading into Shoreditch, I'm hosting a personal branding workshop. We've got like Sarah Ashcroft, Emma Hill, Lauren Spearman, Beth, like, yeah, it's a mega lineup. I did do your hair. Oh no, I need to do all his hair. Right, we'll be back. I need more enthusiasm. There we go. How excited are you? You look very official over here.
With my clicker.
I'm at the drum. We are doing our last Accelerator of the series. Should we call it that? Sounds very fish. This is the biggest one we've done. We try to keep them to like 15, 20 people so that people network, they talk, they get to know each other. I think we've got like 25, 30, maybe 35. It's exciting. I always like getting really early to the events and just like, I don't know, I'm like the most excited person and get really overexcited by people. Let's get going. A full day. I'm doing a keynote and then 2 fireside chats. I've also got to do some YouTube bits today as well. So I'm going to be tired and I'm going to go and have lots of wine this evening. Sorry. Where are we going?
To see a train.
What happens on when we get off the train?
It will stop.
That is right, yeah.
And it will say, chill, 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 chill. It says check, due to because because you actually will change when it moves.
Oh, and who are we going to see when we get off the train?
Baby.
Yeah, we're going to see baby Angus.
Baby Angus, and her mummy's called
Auntie Nick Nick.
Auntie Nick Nick. Angus and Auntie Nick Nick we're going to see.
Yeah, you'll see Atticus too.
Atticus.
Do you remember Atticus?
Yeah. Well, he was a baby before.
He was a baby before, wasn't he?
Maybe he's a big brother now.
He is a big brother now, that's right. And is this fun? Is this a Mummy and Mahri adventure?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't do this very often, do we? Because we always have Ollie hanging out with us too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to come back when you are sleeping, and I will be really quiet so you don't. And then you have to wake up late, and you can watch your iPad.
Mm-hmm.
Can Ollie watch your phone?
Not when she's sleeping. But we got stuck on the train on the way back today, didn't we? Because there was a fire on the track. What can you say about our adventure? Was
I
it?
did, Mummy, didn't you say fire on the track?
Yeah, that's why our train was late today. That's why it's been so long. But you had fun up north? Did you meet the baby?
Yeah, I'm with Atticus and Addie.
Angus.
Angus and Atticus, and what's the baby?
The baby's called Angus. We are on our way back. It is my daughter's bedtime because our train got diverted because of a fire on the tracks. So all fun and games, we have to entertain a 3-year-old. You're getting a Monday to Monday today because I'm actually doing something on a Monday. I have had the most mum 24 hours possible. Had a lovely weekend, but went up to Warrington on Friday to see my mate who'd had a baby, and there was a fire on the tracks on the way home. So I think Mahri, my big one who's 3, was on the train for 5 hours, 4.5, 5 hours. So we didn't get home until late, and I kept her awake so that she would sleep. Yeah, and it absolutely screwed her this weekend. And then had a lovely weekend, but pre-chilled. And then last night she just refused to sleep. And today I am filming for Next Level this morning. Then I'm going straight back for a 2-hour call. That's quite an important one, well, very important one. And then I'm going straight to a school to speak to their sixth form students about writing their LinkedIn profiles, helping them get hired. So it's a day where nothing, not a minute can go wrong. And my big one basically woke up in the middle of the night ready for a rave and a party, and then slept in. So yeah, it's pure chaos. I'm absolutely not in the mood today. Haven't even looked at the topics that we're debating, but we'll get through it. We always get through it. Right, I've got here to the ring. They've actually had a bit of a re-kit since we were last here. It looks amazing. Bronte, where are you? How do I do this? There she is. Matt's on a call. There he is. We are adding different contributors. So Next Level has 4 different contributors at the moment. So you've got Matt Box. He is my favourite person on earth, who is shit hot at sports and strategy, all things creative. We've got Bronte, who is a beauty queen, literally first hire at Beauty Pie. And then obviously Lauren Spearman, who you all know and have seen many a time across our channels. So yeah, gonna get into it. Round number 1, let's go.
Mic check, mic check.
Filming done. Matt Box, how did it feel to go head to head?
Quite scary. You're quite fierce.
I mean, you knew that without getting into a ring with me. Did I kick your ass?
Absolutely. I'm bruised, I'm battered.
Good job there. Right, I filmed. I did a 2-hour workout, 2-hour workshop, and now I can't take the car because I am doing a talk at school around building a CV to get a job, obviously, that's what we all want. And I can't take the car because Daniel's got to go and pick up the kids, so I'm waiting for an Uber and I'm going to be late. And Amanda is a tough cookie when it comes to itineraries and diaries and logistics, so she is already mad at me for being late, but I'll be there, I'll turn up, I'll do what I need to do. I obviously won't take any content when I'm at the school because there's kids there. That'd be weird, wouldn't it? I'm late, I'm exhausted. It's been a full-on day, but we move. Do you know when you have one of those days and you're like, I made it, lads. I actually got to the end of the day. That was today. So as you know, went and did a shoot for Next Level, came home, did a 2-hour essentially like workshop, which was really interesting. It's like been throwing around in my brain quite a lot. And then I went to a school about half an hour away from here and ran 3 sessions back to back around helping students to build up their CV and to level up. And I managed to get home in time for bed and bath time. So that is always like a massive, massive win for me. But I am knackered. I'm in my comfies. Have not taken my makeup off yet because I don't want to wake the kids up, but that is next. And I haven't looked at my inbox all day, and I go on holiday on Wednesday. So I basically need to get through all of my emails as quickly as humanly possible so that I can actually get on holiday and just like disappear for 10 days. That's the goal, that's the agenda. This is like vlog number 2. Can I do this? Is there a vlogging career in me yet? Or is this just totally useless content? You tell me, your view rate will tell me. I look at all of those bits and pieces. I will use all of that to decide whether or not I continue to vlog or whether my life is as boring as I think it is. But for now, clear my inbox, get ready for holiday, and I will see you in the next one.